Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button, guys. Like, share, make your comments. If there's anything you want to say it. I'll be watching out for it. And also follow us on Telegram, by the way. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you follow us on Telegram because we'll be putting out one or two information that would be useful for you. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY for this week. So let's start with this 2020. You can see this movement, right? So let's start from March 2020. What is one thing GBPJPY has been giving us? Clearly, one movement, a bullish move. GBPJPY has just been going bullish since 2020, 2021. Currently, we into 2022. Now we are in 2023. 2023 is almost over. We'll be going to 2024. And guess what? We are still on that uptrend move. We will go continue that movement to the upside. Now, let's see something on GBPJPY. Let's start as this is the wave to the first upward wave, right? This is a corrective one. This is the upward wave here. We can see this is a corrective one. You can call it as the higher lows. It fails to break this previous higher lows here. Since it failed to do that, now a new higher highs is literally forming. You can see it is going bullish. So in the long run, we should come and tap a level of 186. We are even very much likely to break above a level of 186. So that is to tell you that there's more bullish move on GBPJPY. So for this month of November, we will enter next month, which is December, then January. Next year, we should see continue that bullish move on GBPJPY. So a new movement to the upside is forming, which means we are going to take out this previous higher highs. This is the previous higher highs. A new higher highs is about to form. So basically, we are very much likely to cover this on the Patreon channel. So if you are yet, or you are a struggling trader, you're having trouble growing up your accounts, right? Then you can join us to trade with us. You will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. Then we put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what we put out today. So you can give it a try for a month. If after a month you're not comfortable with the services, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. So like I said, we'll be putting out high probability trade setup on there. So join us. You'll find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. Now for what we are seeing on this GBPJPY, two move is very much likely to play out. One, very much likely to draw to this support level and continue the bullish move to the upside, or we are very much likely to see that continuous bullish move. We are very much likely to cover it on this our one-on-one support on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested in one-on-one support on trading, then definitely you would want to be on the Patreon channel. You'll find the link in the comment section.